Hello and welcome back to the EmpressLocs channel. Today is a short video on how to finish dreadlocks like a pro. So in this instance I am doing a plait, but this method also works really well with a double twist. You will notice when you get to the bottom of mainly a plait, but sometimes with double twists, that you'll find that the locks are of different lengths. Some are short, some are long. Plait or twist as far down as you can go. You'll usually be left with one lock that is longer than the others. So just take that lock and wrap it round the other shorter locks. There is no right way to go in this instance. Do what makes you feel comfortable. Once you get to the bottom, you'll see that there would be just one uniform lock. Once you've got this, take your elastic band. I keep it on my fingers already. I fold the end of the dreadlock, so I've got a little nub, I'm going to call it. Pinch it with your fingers and then take the elastic band and wrap it around as many times as you like to secure the dreadlock. And it is as simple as this. So if you don't do this method, it will end up looking like this, and if you do the method, it will end up looking like this. So as you can see here, I'm just doing it again, just twisting the locks around, folding it underneath, pinching it with my fingers. I've got the elastic band ready on my index and thumb finger, and then I'm literally just going to wrap it round. There is not an amount of times you need to wrap it round, just do it so it is secure. And you are done. And this is the whole head when it is done. Once again, thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel and turn on your post notifications. Bye!